Steve here, Shen RC, and I'm with the Losi LMT here. This is going to be the first run. I'll show you really quick. I have a 2S LiPo in there. So I'm going to put this body on and then we'll see how we could run it. We got the nice terrain over here. It's like 30 degrees and really cold, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to stay out here, guys, but I'm going to run it. Let's see how she does on the rough. Whoa. Gnarly. Whoa, brakes are good. Almost took myself out. So far, it's fun as hell. Handling this stuff really good. This is only on 2S. Let's take it onto some rough dirt here. See how it does. Oh yeah, a nice jump. Whoa, Nelly. See if I could hit this here. Whoa! I'm not that easy on it. Testing it good. I'm slipping out and hitting that lump there. Pushing it a little too much. I'm getting dirty here. Let's try it up this hill. That thing is sick. Whoa! You can tell when I like something, you hear a lot of oh, oh, whoa, oh, back on its lid and then up on its wheels. I'm putting it on its lid a lot here. That's because it's a lot faster than the Cloudbuster. I have to get used to it. Oh man, look at that. Working on this pretty darn good. lost it. Almost saved it. God, I'm freezing. Let's see what it does over here on the grass. I didn't even check if the steering's going straight. So happy to run it. I'm gonna go. It turns really nice. There's a lot more steering than my Fox, the Kyosho Fox. It doesn't have a good turning radius. Whoa. I could see why Tony does a lot of stunts with his. This thing's a stunt beam, and woo! Nice. Oh! This is fun, guys. Whoever gets one of these is gonna love it. Losi made these tires. They made them hard. They're not super grippy. And that's a plus for a truck like this, because I think if you had like a Proline grippy tire on and you were riding like how I just was, you would be flipping this much more. Kind of fishtails on the loose stuff. So that's good. When you see the back go up, guys, don't let off the throttle. Oh, man. Whew, I'm freezing. So far, so good. Try scuffing up my body real good. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, scuffing her up pretty good. See how she does on this loose rocks here. Oh. Trying to lean low and get these guys a better shot. It hampers my driving abilities. Ah, now my body's broken in. Road rash. Let's see if it goes through this bush. This is pretty rough here. Whoa. I got something caught in it. This is so much fun, guys. Oh yeah. See if this could do some rock crawling here. Oh yeah. Even rock crawl's pretty darn good. Oh, smoking the tires. Holy crap, guys, I got a ticket for riding this thing. Just kidding. Well, guys, I'm freezing my cojones off here. That's it. This thing is awesome. I want to thank Tony, CCXRC, for posting up all the info and them awesome bash videos. That's what made me decide to get one of these bad boy beasts of a truck. Thanks, Tony. I appreciate all the work you put into it. Anyhow, guys, I highly recommend it. This thing's fun as hell. I just thread locked them sway bar screws in, and also I put the little tape over the stub axle, little pins in the front steering knuckles to hold them in in case they come out. But other than that little thing you have to do, it's pretty good. I ran it pretty good. Like I said, it's 30 degrees, it's cold as hell. I'm freezing, I can't stand it anymore. Guys, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. If you have any questions, put a comment and I'll try to answer them. And we'll see you next time. Shen RC out. Team Losi made a beauty.
Well, get out of your way. This is
All right.
your playground, sir. Enjoy.
Thanks. Have a good day.